skips a beat.
Only Mosney June with some kicks. Yeah.